In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive but not from PC. If you want to remove files from your OneDrive cloud storage without actually losing them from your computer, the key is not to delete them directly. Instead, you'll move them out of the OneDrive synced folder and into a regular folder on your PC that OneDrive does not back up. That way, the files stay on your computer, but they're no longer stored in the cloud. First, open your files on your computer. This helps you confirm you're working on the correct device and makes it easier to locate the items you want to keep locally. If needed, open File Explorer so you can browse your folders more easily. Next, go to your OneDrive folder. This is the folder on your computer that automatically syncs with your OneDrive account. Anything stored inside this folder is usually uploaded to the cloud and kept in sync across devices. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right location before changing anything. Once you're there, highlight the files or folders you want to remove from the cloud. Be careful to select only the items you want to keep on your PC, but stop syncing to OneDrive. If you're moving several files at once, it can help to double check your selection before continuing. After that, press Ctrl and X on your keyboard to cut the files. This prepares them to be moved rather than copied. That distinction matters because copying would leave the original versions in OneDrive and they would still remain in the cloud. Cutting tells your computer that you want to transfer those files to a new location. Now navigate to a location on your PC that is not synced by OneDrive. This step is very important. If you paste the files into another OneDrive-backed folder, they'll just keep syncing. Choose a folder that exists only on your local computer, such as a general folder outside your OneDrive directory. If needed, you can create a new folder specifically for local-only storage to keep things organized. Finally, press Ctrl and a V to paste the files. Once the move is complete, the files will remain on your computer in that new local folder, but they will no longer be stored in your OneDrive cloud space. Depending on your sync settings, OneDrive may take a few moments to reflect the change, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. That's all it takes. By moving files out of the OneDrive folder instead of deleting them, you can free up cloud storage while still keeping your files safely on your PC.